My name is Larry Schuster. I am the Interim Associate Director for Utilities, and we provide various utilities at the University of New Mexico campus. We cool the buildings, we heat the buildings, we provide a large component of power, and we do some other minor stuff. We have about 12 megawatts of power. That's about 50% of the maximum campus load. So we can provide up to 50% when the university is consuming its maximum, but most of the time we're producing enough power when the university is less than that to generate about 70 to 80% of its total power consumption. We do that with a couple of units called cogeneration units, which are basically large jet engines that run on natural gas. And the difference is that not only do we make power with those, we also take the heat, which is normally wasted, and we make steam, which goes to our campus for both heating and process use, and in some cases for cooling also. We do it because we can make that power cheaper than we can buy it. And so it benefits the university and the taxpayers of New Mexico by reducing the cost of producing utilities for the university. We actually have a large cooling system called the District Energy Cooling System, and we generate chilled water, which runs to each of our buildings, and that's used to cool the buildings. All the heat within the buildings essentially goes into that water. It's brought back to our cooling units at Ford Utility Center, the Utility Center, and Lomas Chill Water Plant. And that heat that we've pulled out of the buildings goes into the water that goes over the cooling towers. And so all the heat that's generated within the buildings that we remove in order to keep it cool comes out at those cooling towers. And what you see, that beautiful rainbow and waterfall, is simply the water being cooled so they can go back and pick up another load of heat from the buildings and then be extracted and sent out to the atmosphere.